Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Andreasa Wahyu Fadilah, and I am a news anchor. My opinion about this job is that being a news anchor is cool, because they deliver news and information to everyone. So, this is the news I will be presenting. Good evening, viewers. A major fire broke out at 9 p.m. on Jalan Balam, Batam City, causing the greatest panic residents have experienced in recent years. The latest updates are being delivered by the news anchor to ensure the public receives accurate information. The flames spread faster than the fire that occurred in the same area a few years ago, and the damage appears to be more severe than previous incidents. Important safety instructions were communicated to residents by the local authorities during the evacuation. What triggered this blast at such a late hour? Who will be responsible for ensuring safety in this neighborhood? Thick smoke can be seen billowing high, as dark as the smoke from the industrial fire a few months ago. If the fire had been detected earlier, the damage could have been minimized. Firefighters are working harder than usual, demonstrating greater speed compared to their previous response. This situation is similar to the industrial fire a few months ago, but the impact on resident homes is far more devastating. Authorities are still assessing casualties and losses. If residents follow the safety guidelines, they will reduce the risk for the future casualties. I wish the community had stronger preventive measures that tragedies like this could be avoided in the future. Thank you.